Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. Happy May, guys. New beginnings, new levels. As you can see, I'm in one of my Wi-Fi locations. You see what time it is? 12:15 in the middle of the day on a Tuesday. And I got some postcards here. Got my latte, macchiato is what it's called, I'm sorry. And I got some postcards here. And I am getting ready to put some stamps on these puppies. I just left the post office. These were the last few that I needed to do. So I'm going to mail these out. And as you can see, let's go here. This is for Pure Profit Pro. So this is my capture page that I'm using, one of them. This is what I do in the middle of the day, okay? So this is real. Come work with me. Pure Profit Pro pays anywhere from $250 to $250, $500, and $1,000 is the levels. Okay, so you won't make anything less than $250. This is an online business, and I'm using Postcard Marketing to promote it. Okay, so come check me out, and I'll show you how I'm doing it, guys. You guys have a blessed day. See you on the next video.